Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to turn off clicking sound on your display. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings, so the GLB icon. Let's tap settings. This is the standard view of the settings. It starts with assistance, but you can go to the fourth tab, which is system. Under system, you've got a few options to choose. Let's choose here the control elements. As you can see, you've got here the acoustic feedback, so you can turn off completely the acoustic feedback, and now if you tap something you cannot hear anything, but you can also go to normal or even to loud. And as you can see now the clicking is so loud, so in my case let me go back to normal, and I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.